Hey fam, Married at First Sight Season 2. The show has ended, but because of the drama that played out, it is still on people's lips. And now Themba's baby mama Sponono and Tsapo's ex Pearl's appearance on the show is being weighed, and social media is divided. Nkululeko on the other side is on his page sharing his proposal. But before we get into that, congratulations to Enhle Mbali. She and Black Coffee's divorce has been finalized. And according to the judgment, Black Coffee must be kicking air wherever he is. According to Enhle's lawyers, the court ruled in favor of Enhle Mbali, granting her the reverse sought. Their customary marriage was declared valid and in community of property. The ANC was invalidated, and Nkosinathi Maphumulo, aka Black Coffee, was ordered to pay spousal maintenance. Antenuptial contract invalidated. The court also struck down the antenuptial contract signed in 2017, citing that Mbali was misled and lacked legal advice. The contract could not override the default property regime of their customary marriage. They also went on to mention that this landmark ruling highlights the importance of protecting women's rights in customary marriages. Now on Pearl and Sponono, social media users are saying that there seems to be a double standard of some sort going on here. Because Sponono, who was lobola and the mother of Themba's kids, who was also clearly staying with this man, when she came to the show, she was called out and bashed for doing so. But with Pearl, fans of the show are welcoming and majority don't seem to have a problem with her coming to the show. That time she's only an ex of Tshepo, nothing more. So people now feel like Sponono and Pearl have been treated differently when it comes to their appearance on the show. On Nkululeko, he took to his social media platform to share his fiancé. The hand, I know we are all curious to see the face and everything, but he only shared the hand with the caption that reads, "A symbol of love, loyalty, and a promise kept. Woke up feeling blessed," he also added. And there are concerns for his fiancé already, as people are saying, that girl is brave. I hope she is Jehovah. And some are questioning what if she has always been there, supporting his man to get the fame he wants. And maybe he was just honest, unlike Themba. Anyway, congratulations to Enhle Mbali and Nkululeko on his proposal, I guess. Do you think people reacted differently to Sponono and Pearl's appearance on the show? Let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.